Welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at the Jayco Jayflight 287 BHS. Let's go inside and get started. As we go inside, we have our information sticker here. This one weighs 6,335 pounds, measures at 34 feet, 3.75 inches. And reason I like this, it's a little different. The bunks are not in the corner. People tend to not like the corner bunks, so this is another option here. And we do have charging on the bottom bunk with the light and also up top. And then you also have AC for the person up top. So got ducted AC, Dometic unit, one single unit. Storage there. Nice couch that does jackknife out into a bed. Have a nice big window next to your couch with the accordion style window covers there. Nice big U-shaped dinette storage underneath the seats there. And of course it folds down into another bed. Beautiful, nice big window. I love this wood paneling that Jayco's doing. And also in a Jayco, the quality, like the fit and finish is really good. You'll notice right here, there's no nail holes. A lot of other units, you're gonna see nail holes. It's been patched up with little putty or something. Before we change sides, we do have a fridge freezer combo. There's our freezer. Our fridge is 12 volt. I'm hooked to a jump box so I can film, and you can see that's all on right there. Little entertainment center, TV up top, nice counter for you. Put your entertainment stuff or decorations. And then down below you do have nice cabinet. There's a jet flying over right now, Air Force Base. The ducting for the heat is on the side, so it doesn't collect trash like if it's something built into the floor. That's how my unit is. I have my ducting in the floor. Do have a stove and oven combo here, just enough to do a little pizza or heat up some things. Microwave up top, range hood with a fan and light. A little light there. This is a 2025 model. Forgot to mention that. Double sink. Room to store stuff there. All your utensils and everything right there. Groceries up top. And you can put some shelves up here. No shelving, so definitely add some shelves to that. And that one. Give you some more room. Now on this one we have a walk-through bathroom. Have our Dometic controls for our AC right here as we go through. We have a plastic toilet, little rectangle shape shower with some shelving. Has a little kind of tile design to it. Skylight there. Have our vent. Over on the left side we have a little storage. Hot water on demand. Looks like you could add some kind of shelving here to give you some more room. Also, you could add a medicine cabinet. I would definitely do that myself. In our bedroom, we have our TV mount up here. Nice window. Wardrobe here. Got a shelf up there. You could put your folding clothes. Another wardrobe. 110 outlets on both sides. You have storage underneath the bed, like usual. Fold up. And we have a second door, which is nice. In case somebody's in the bathroom, you can go out this door. A couple of lights underneath our shelf there. Here's another look at the living room, kitchen area. Cool little unit. Let's go outside and take a look. As you can see, it's very windy today. Just bear with me. Up front, we have an electric jack, two 20-pound propane tanks. Here's our pass-through storage. Gotta have that. We have a nice set of stairs on our second door, and we have the solid steps on our main door. You have a connection for your TV. You have speakers up top. Your freshwater fill is right there. There's your furnace. suburban furnace. Nice big awning, and it does have an LED strip. I don't know if you can see it or not. Coming out back, we have a spare tire and another storage compartment. This storage compartment's blocked by the spare tire, but it has a pin in it, so I'm gonna take that pin out so we can open up the storage. Perfect. Now that our spare tire's out of the way, that door opens no problem, and that has giant storage back here. The whole width of the camper and probably 4 feet deep. So that's great. Outside storage is an issue for some people. They like to have a lot of outdoor things. So hot water on demand here. 50 amp power right there. Single slide out for this unit. Outdoor shower, city water connection, and our gray and black tank drops right there. Also low point drain is right there. Well, there you go, 2025 Jayco Jayflight 287 BHS. Walk around, walk through. Also, go ahead and look in the description below. There'll be some links for Amazon for some products that I like that'll help the channel out if you buy there. Also, gonna keep on doing more reviews. So stay tuned. See you on the next one.